Welcome to the Daily Grind. I'm your guy, Billy Ball, the former Phillip, back with another video. And on today is July the 14th, and we got the little 4066 John Deere tractor here. We got to get it cleaned up. Pretty dirty on the inside. Came up here Saturday, got started on it. Got the outside pretty much almost washed off, pretty much. Got a pretty good clean. They got to wash the put the brush on and wash the body hood. But first thing we're gonna do, while still halfway cool, we're gonna come in here and get the inside out real quick. Pretty nasty, so y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get a couple cameras up running on time lapse over here, and we're gonna try to get this dude knocked out today. We gotta put some wax on it. It kind of faded, kind of rough looking, but let's see what we may do with it. And y'all stay tuned. Let's go have some fun. All right, so one thing we like to do, or I like to do, detailing these tractors and stuff, I get my air hose over here with my compressor. I'm gonna blow all the dust and stuff out of here first. And once I get all that done, I'm gonna come in here with some a 50-50 mix of knockout, degrease, and some shout. Come in here and clean all this interior and stuff up, start scrubbing it down, get all this stuff clean right here first. But that's where we stand so far, so we're pretty ready to blow everything out. So y'all stay tuned. And we're gonna keep on knocking it out one hour at a time. All right, everybody, back inside the cab of the tractor. I'm gonna clean the headline out first. So I'm gonna show you a trick that I learned from one of my car detailing buddies. So what I'm gonna use to get this headliner clean, I'm gonna take a brush, and I got some shout right here in the spray bottle and a brush. I spray it with shout and work it in, and then come back with a rag and wipe it down and just let it dry. So y'all see those rings right there right now. So y'all stay tuned and watch it. Just sprayed it. All right, everybody, so check that out. You seen them 2 range spots, those 3 range spots at first, about gone. So I'm gonna get my rag now, and come and wipe it down, and we're gonna close it out, but that's what it looked like to everybody. So we're gonna keep on rolling, and we're gonna knock this on out. All right, everybody, we're back. We got the inside finally clean, so I'm putting the air conditioning vents, and interior, and everything, putting all this stuff back together. So as I get these vents put back in, I turn this camera around real quick, get y'all a little sneak peek on what we got going on and the progress we're making. But I will say this joker right here was pretty nasty. Check this out. Got the air conditioning vents and everything back in. Had the sunroof out, not sunroof, but the sun visor. All that back in. Had the plastic scripts out right here in the back. Now check this, got the steering wheel, armor all, the dash, armor all. Only thing I got left, I got to put this panel back here on this side, left side. And got a trap door back here I got to put in behind the seat, and we had it inside wrapped up, but I was just giving you an update on where we stand. When we get all this stuff put back in, we're gonna jump back out here, finish clean the outside up, get it squared away, and we're pulling it in then to the inside, and we'll go ahead and start buffing and waxing, try to get this thing closed out. It's 1:40, so I still got about 3 hours and 20 minutes left. So let's see, can we close this dude out in the next 3 hours and 20 minutes. So y'all stay tuned, and we'll resume and pick this video back here shortly. All right, everybody, got the inside put back together, got everything here, so up the floor mat, and just got the door seal put back on it. So we're gonna go ahead and finish the white job on it real quick, and maybe I can put it in here and start getting this inside, not inside, but this outside washed and waxed and everything. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna put the camera on time lapse, and we're gonna try to close the dude out from the outside. We'll be right back here. All right, everybody, the made in the shop was cool at. So I got these shields right here. I'm gonna get ready to put some compound on, buff them out, get these scratches and things out. So got the tractor over here, paint cooling off, roll out. So got the camo here running on time there. So we'll pick this video right back on the short. Well, everybody, time to get up out of here. Got the little tractor sitting over there. Got it pulled out the shop. After 5 o'clock. So, load up, go to the house. Got that little 4400 John Deere. I'm gonna unload it off the truck. Grease it. Check on the stone wheel, look for oil leak. And everything check out good. We'll load that dude up and take it back to the owner. So, y'all stay tuned and we'll see you at the house. All right, everybody, just made it to the house and got started. Had a phone call with one of my buddies trying to get some washing stuff squared away. But I got started on the tractor already, pulling the stern wheel off, and noticed I had a little oil on that shield there. So we're gonna pull this stern wheel column all the way off and let's see what's under here. So y'all stay tuned. Put this camera right here on time lapse and we're gonna finish taking this thing loose. Hey, you got hold down on it.
Can't get it. Like it's stuck now, the trigger is stuck. Something like that. I don't know.
Oh, I gotta be pulling them when you do it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hey! I can't get it on me. I can't keep it on me.
Well, everybody, they got the whole stern wheel off, so you gotta go to the next step. All right, everybody. So we're back with the last part of the video. We got the steering wheel off, and right here, this seal is leaking oil. So I'm gonna take a picture of this serial number for the steering column right here, and order this seal, and we'll be able to close the dude out. Hopefully, got it in stock on tomorrow, but if not, we'll get it overnight. Get this dude thrown in, and we'll wash the dude up, take it back to the customer. We'll have the job completed. So thanks for watching. Thanks for y'all support, and we'll see y'all in the next video.
Peace.